Today I'm unboxing a budget-friendly PL3D print element from NFIL3D. This one is cement gray color and they claim it's high strength PL pulse with smooth finish, no clogging. I got it for just T669 on Amazon, which is around 55% off the listed price. That sounds like a great deal for beginners like me who are just getting started with 3D printing. Now, let's open it up and see what we really get inside the box. So inside the packet, I got the filament roll sealed properly in a vacuum bag. But here's where it gets a little interesting. Some people online are saying this filament isn't actually 1 kilogram. That is more like 70, 50 or 800 grams. I don't have a weighing scale with me right now, so I can't confirm that. But I'll try to update in the comments or video description later when I find out. For now, I'm just hoping it's close enough. Also, when I checked the reviews online, they were kind of mixed. Some users were saying this is false marketing and it's not good quality, but honestly for me it seems okay. I mean, I'm just starting with 3D printing and I know I'll make mistakes, try a lot of prints, maybe mess up a few times and learn from that. I think this is perfect for that purpose. Learning, practicing and experimenting, I loaded the filament into my printer and printed a small keychain just to test it. The print quality was actually pretty smooth. The layers came out neat and I didn't face any clogging issues at all. So that's already a good sign. The material feels slightly stronger than basic PL I've tried before, maybe because it's labeled as PLA+. If you're someone who's new to 3D printing and don't want to spend too much at the beginning, then I think this filament is not a bad option. Yes, maybe the weight isn't exactly one, but for rupees 669, I think it's fine if you just want to get into printing and try new stuff without worrying too much about wasting expensive filament. That's it for now. I'll keep testing this filament and share more prints in upcoming videos. If you want to see the results of more test prints using this filament or want me to try specific models, let me know in the comments. And if you're curious about the actual weight, I'll update that soon when I get access to a weighing scale. Thanks for watching.